Hey mamas, my name is Elna from twinsmommy.com, and guess what? Are you interested in making money in 2023? There's so many things that you can start making money, but you want to stay home full time, right? And you're like, I'm really creative and I want to make some cool things. Like, what can I do and how can I make it and sell it? Oh my gosh. Well, guess what? Over on Twins Mommy, I have 87 things you can make and sell, and they're all crafts, right? So if you are crafty like me, I love making things. My daughter is making she got so many cool clay kits and art kits. Now she's painting, she's drawing, she's making these cool little things with her. I think it's air dry clay. It's really cool. There's lots of stuff, and she's very creative. That's because I'm creative. I love to knit. I love to draw. I love to re-listen to music. I'm highly creative, and I'm a writer too. So let's get into it. Let me show you my post that I have on Twins Mommy on 87 crafts you can make and sell as a stay-at-home mom. This is perfect for you guys, mamas. If you want to stay home, you can do this during your children's nap time. You can do it at night, and you can definitely start making money and offer it on your blog. So in order to start doing this, I do suggest you start a blog or a website. In the post, I do give you a link to start a blog, and then I tell you that you probably have to have some kind of shopping page on your site. So something like WooCommerce is a nice plugin that you can have, and it's easy to fill out. This is my demo blog that I have, and I was able to quickly get WooCommerce and quickly have this nice little sales page of like some soaps that I created. And with a little sale there, you can add that through the WooCommerce platform. And so it looks like it's on sale, but the real price is only $14, but no one needs to know that, right? So it's very easy to have a nice shopping page on your site to direct your readers. Like, look, you talk about crafts and making cool soaps or making cool, I don't know, whatever you decide. And then you have these cool things that you make. You can also start a Shopify site. Now that's something that is a little bit more detailed, but they handle a lot more for you. You don't have to manage a lot of things, the customer, the checkout, all that jazz. One of my real life friends has Clover Lane Crafts. I don't think she has it anymore, but she did at one point sell these nice artisan little crafts that she sourced from our town. These are products from our town, and she gave these for teachers, and I bought them for my children's teachers for Christmas. So these are really cute, and she made them all herself, and I thought they were really cute. You can also start on Etsy. Etsy is a great platform. A lot of moms start on Etsy to sell their digital products, but you can sell real things. There's a lot of cool crafts you can make. I was just searching the other day for cat toys. Since I have a kitten, I wanted I'm looking for a particular type of wand toy. And so I think Etsy, I saw a couple there on Etsy of all things that has it. So it's really cool. And then of course there's digital products. Of course, you can definitely create planners, printables, things like that. There is a course by Sarah Titus, who is super popular, one of the most popular mom bloggers out there. She's made over $1 million with her business. So she is definitely someone credible to look into. When you start selling on your blog, make sure you have all the legal templates for your blog. I do have a link to Miriam, who is a freelance lawyer, and she has wonderful contracts for you based on what you do as a blogger or freelancer. All right, so let's look at the ways. We'll quickly go through these because it's a lot, but how to make soap. This is perfect for giving gifts, for others to give as a gift, for birthday parties, for their goodie bags, for your friends' goodie bags. You and your daughter or son can make these cool soaps and then use them for a goodie bag. You can then sell them on marketplaces around your town, or you can offer them and sell them on your blog, right? And I have links to some cool little tutorials on how to make. These are the soap gemstones, really cool. There's loofah soap, rainbow soap, dinosaur egg soap. There's lots of different that you can search on Pinterest to get some ideas. Of course, you can do photo to wood transfer. This is a nice little niche service that you can provide to family members, to people, your children's friends, their families as well. So you can put family photos on a piece of beautiful wood. So that's a nice little service to offer. You can make ribbons. You can make ribbon toys for babies or for children. Here's a sunshine for baby toy, a ribbon tie tutu, a baby taggy, a ribbon mobile, a crinkle sheet for babies, and ribbon flowers. Here's some ribbon flowers. And what's so cool about this craft is that the materials are cheap. And so you can buy in bulk and make tons of cool little things for babies and children. And why not make your own worry pet? With mental health in the news lately, I think this will be a nice little product that you can make and sell to your family, to your friends, in your community and also on your blog for sure. I think it's so cute. Those things are so cute. You can also do some knitting, right? Here's a nice little book for patterns. I love knitting. And so if I was better at it, I would definitely use it to maybe market my cool little scarf. These are cool little scarves and stuff. I did buy recently a nice knitted hat that had little owl like knitted things in it. It was really cute for me and my daughter from someone here in town. So I saw her Facebook page. So there you go. Custom dry erase boards. How cool is that? And how unique is that? Why not create something like that? It's a little bit big, but I think it'll look really cool like on Etsy and stuff like that. And you can charge a lot for something like this because it's a big product. Why not do some scented candles? This is nice for the holidays. It's cool for gifts, things like that, where other moms need a quick gift where you can offer this to them. I think teachers would love something like this as well. You can do plush toys or stuffies. This is also very popular on Etsy, and you can promote it on Facebook, on Instagram. I think there's some really cool patterns here that you can get into. This stuffed bunny is so cute. You can do wood palette stuff like a bookshelf, a floating shelf. You can get your husband involved in this and, promote this stuff on your shop page. I think it'll be really cool. What about some wind chimes? Here's a whole bunch of different wind chimes that you can do. The bamboo, the driftwood, the clay, all this stuff that you can use with your art supplies that you have, and why not use it to sell? Of course, there's jewelry and makeup accessories. These are also common. You can, dabble into making some lip balm if you have a cool recipe. Here's some chai spice lip balm I think is cool. You can make some clay jewelry. I mean, that's really popular nowadays. Same thing with sugar scrub. These are also fun to make and sell. You can make them and sell them to, like at your kid's school. You can do it on Facebook pages, lots of different places. And mugs, these are also mugs right there. Fabric keychains, those are cool to make, and they are functional, definitely functional. Here's some more crafts you can make and sell. You can do purses, you can do baby blankets, you can do earrings. There's some cool things you can do with earrings that will look nice on Pinterest to market. It will look nice on your shop page. And then I just give you some proof of here on my blog post of people on Etsy and what they're selling, or in this one's selling on their blog. And this one has a Shopify site. You can see what these people are selling and how they're promoting their crafts to make and sell. So hopefully that got you inspired. Let me know in the comments below if you want to start making crafts. Go ahead and check out my post. I do give you links, like I said, to start a blog, to WooCommerce. You can do Shopify, you can get on Etsy. There's lots of different ways you can have a shop and start promoting it on Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on Instagram. There's lots of different platforms you can start promoting your crafts that you make, and also do it locally. I think that's where you're gonna have the most successes locally. And who knows, you'll probably get some new friends that way and you'll be a part of your community. All right, so let me know in the comments below if you want to see more money making ideas for moms, and like this video. And don't forget, if you're interested, I do have a free course on start a blog. I also have a free printable on affiliate marketing. So check the links below on those free resources for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.